Hey guys, fresh cut with the bun, Jason here, and as you can see from the pile of tech boxes in front of me, you might have guessed that this is going to be a pretty cool, pretty fun, pretty big video for my channel. So, the backstory to what we're doing today is that a whole bunch of different earbuds companies, 3 to be exact, kind of coincided that they wanted to send me their latest and greatest earbuds to review and feature on my channel. And with all these companies kind of flooding my inbox, I obviously wanted to be able to try them all out because I'm a nerd and I like trying out tech. But at the same time, I didn't think it would be very wise of me to essentially become an earbuds only review channel for however long it took to get all the reviews done. So instead, I decided to lump everything together. We're going to do a comprehensive, especially since these are all around the same price point, earbuds review video, also with an unboxing. And I'm starting with the unboxing because even though I've already opened these guys and tested them out and did all my tech reviewer gear turning stuff and figuring out what I like about them and what I don't, even though I've already done that kind of preliminary review process, there's still that magic that is unboxing and the experience of that. So that's why I put everything back into the boxes with the accessories and the packaging as close as I could to the original. And that's what we're going to share right now as a YouTube reviewer and his audience, sharing that good old experience of unboxing some tech. So the first product, I don't know why I said that's so weird, but you get what I mean. The first earbuds that we're going to review are the Flyears 3. I assume the third generation of the company Flyears' earbuds. It's got that pretty compact, just pop open design, and earbuds right here, front and center. We got the matte black and shiny black case with these are truly wireless earbuds. I'm pretty sure I put that in the title. And you know, they just pop in like the middle. Pretty clean and self-explanatory. And under that, foam. And then a little paper box to hold all the accessories. The ear tips, just in case you got big or small ears. Instruction manual. And a good old-fashioned micro USB cable for charging. So I suppose people that want to be on the very bleeding edge of tech and insist that everything use USB-C as the port and as the charging interface might not want these, but honestly, who cares? Like, it's 2020, not everything is USB-C, and most people honestly probably have majority micro USB products. So I personally don't see that as a disadvantage at all. But anyway, that was the unboxing experience of the Flyears 3. Let's go ahead and roll that B-roll talking about my final verdict. When it comes to sound quality alone, the Flyears 3 are definitely the cream of the crop. They're the best. They have really nice crispy highs and strong bass, and according to their product info, that's because of dual graphene dynamic drivers. They connect quickly and easily with Bluetooth 5.0, and when you're using them, you don't have to worry about sweat or water because of IPX5 certification. The Flyears also have a convenient charging case and feature noise cancellation, and I guess it's also important to note that for me, they were the best fitting earbuds for staying in my ears and blocking out background noise. Alright, so that was the Flyears 3, and moving on, we got the Mellow Fun Elite Pro. Now, these ones actually surprised me once I unboxed them, and I'm sure they're going to do that for you as well. Once you open this guy, you got really nice packaging, honestly. Probably a little bit better than the Flyears, but once you get inside this, the case is bright yellow, and even popping open the case, the earbuds themselves, which are that kind of, you know, different sports hook design, they are bright yellow as well. So I don't know if it's just me, but this yellow kind of neon color seems just a little bit jarring, a little bit annoying to me. But again, maybe it's just a personal preference, and I feel like with that sport, the hook around the ear, kind of seems like they're appealing to a sports fitness audience, and you know, people that are working out, doing sports, you know, getting physically fit. Maybe they want to make a statement with their earbuds. So, you know, it's personal preference whether you like that color or not. And let's go ahead and get deeper into the box. Got more foam, just like the last pair, and pretty similar, except this isn't a box; it's like a top. And then all the stuff is just kind of thrown inside there. We got, similar to the last pair, the Flyears, we got some ear tips. Or these might actually be not for different size ears, but just as replacements, just in case you Hold on. Yeah, they actually look identical in size to the ones that are already on there. So these might be actually as replacements, just in case you lose the ones that are already on there. And fun story, actually, I was listening to ASMR the other night when I was going to bed, you know, just laying in bed with ASMR in my earbuds. And I woke up the next day and the ear tip of my earbuds was completely missing. I couldn't find it. And so this actually seems kind of smart to me, to have replacements that are the same size. Not that you'd use your sport earbuds in bed listening to ASMR, but you could still lose them. So I don't think that's a bad inclusion at all. And then you got the earbuds, then you got the charging cable, which is USB-C. So like I was saying with the last pair, if you want to be on the bleeding edge of tech and interfaces and ports, then you got USB-C with these guys. And of course, the instruction manual that no one is going to read. Go ahead and pop everything back in here. And that is it for the Mellow Fun Elite Pro unboxing. Let's go ahead and jump to that B-roll. The Mellow Fun Elite Pro kind of tricked me with the annoying and kind of childish bright yellow, because they actually had really good sound quality, albeit a tad less clear than the Flyears. But I think they're suited for different people, because the hook design combined with that flashy color just screams sports and fitness to me. They're water resistant, Bluetooth 5.0, and have a significantly bigger capacity with the charging case, so they're definitely a good fit for people that want to get fit. Oh yeah, and they have touch controls on the side, unlike the Flyears, which again kind of emphasizes the people that want to use these. Yeah, so that was the Elite Pro sports earbuds out of the way, and now we can talk about these power pods, also from Mellow Fun. And actually, I did get sent 3 earbuds from Mellow Fun, and I advise you to wait till the 3rd one because it's kind of weird. But these are the power pods, and again, like both the other earbuds, it's a simple lift that top to get to the earbuds. It is a little bit of a bigger box though. It's kind of cool looking on the inside, a little bit more business, a little professional looking. This is the case right here, and this is the first protective plastic that we've come across unboxing all of these. But let's go ahead and peel that off. There was literally no sound to accompany that, but that's all right. We got the case right here, as you can see, and then actually they put in the earbuds separately. They're in their own kind of spot, which is interesting. They look a little bit like AirPods, kind of like gray, more mature, slightly chunkier AirPods. And they fit in the case just like so. And I think the case is pretty cool, actually. I think the circle design is unique, and I don't know, it's definitely better than the bright yellow of the Elite Pro, but it's possible that I might just prefer in real day-to-day life the simplicity of the Flyears. We got a box underneath all that with some cables. A cable for charging these guys. Again, this one is USB-C, so staying on that USB-C all the things game. We got this for y'all that want to make sure that everything's up to date, and additional ear tips, like freaking 10 of them, like 8 additional ear tips. That's the most that any of these guys came with. But we got those, and then we also got instruction manual that didn't want to come out, but no one really uses those. I don't know why my commentary is so sucky for this video, but I feel like I'm giving the most bland descriptions and just talking about stuff. It's alright though. We got the B-roll to kind of make up for that. I don't know, what do you say when unboxing earbuds? It's literally been a year since I did this. Alright, that's alright. Stick everything back where it belongs. And oh yeah, we gotta play that gotta play the B-roll for the power pods. Let's go ahead and roll that. I think the Mellow Fun power pods are like the older brother to the Elite Pro. Sound quality wise, they're really similar, although I think they have a bit less bass. But beyond that, the design is more mature and minimal, and they have a more traditional AirPods-ish fit instead of a hooked fit. They have IPX5 waterproofing and touch controls on the sides, and I think that combined with the dope rounded charging case makes these super solid as an everyday pair of earbuds. Okay, so moving right along, what we got next is the last product that was included in the shipment from Mellow Fun to me. And this guy, I swear, I barely missed throwing this in the trash, because like the way things were the way the products were laid out is like the package had two sections, and in the top section, the earbuds were like this, and then this thing was on the bottom. And I narrowly missed just throwing away the whole bottom section with this guy, just keeping these. Because not only was I only expecting them to send me two earbuds, and then that combined with the fact that this was in a completely different section, we almost didn't get to see these guys on the channel. But I discovered these guys after finding out eventually that there was another part to the package, and I honestly feel like Melofun accidentally shipped me these because it doesn't have the Melofun brand name on it. It literally, these aren't anything I could find on Amazon or on eBay. It looks like these are off-brand earbuds that like Melofun manufactures but doesn't sell under their name. Kind of like, you know, those earbuds they give you on airplanes that don't have a brand, but you just use them and throw them away when you're done or whatever. It feels like they didn't actually want to send me these, but you know, I got them in the spirit of reviewing everything. We got these wireless headset. They're not even earbuds actually, from Melofun. It kind of looks like the things you visualize tech support people wearing when they pick up your calls. But beyond that, I don't even see using this in any day-to-day application or anything. I don't know, they're weird. And then they do got, this is the only shipment for Melofun that actually had micro USB as the charging interface. And that also is like kind of a red flag. I don't know, I really do feel like they didn't intend to send this to me because, like I said, they got two products with their name on it, with nice packaging and presentable and everything. And they got this, which doesn't have their name on it and literally has no branding whatsoever. And it's honestly like a completely different product from those. But, you know, I'll take it. I tested them out, and let's go ahead and play that B-roll of me messing around with this headset. Like I said, this was a weird inclusion, but in the spirit of trying out and testing everything, this headset turned out to be not terrible. Honestly, it has more bass than any other earbuds in this comparison, but the problem is there's nothing else to the sound. The highs and mids are muddy into oblivion. They do fit surprisingly comfortably, but being completely honest here, I don't think any high points of this headset makes up for the weird packaging, form factor, etc. I'm literally not even gonna go to the effort to put that back into the box because those are weird. But the last thing we got is the A2 earbuds from MuGo. And I'm gonna go ahead and open these up and let's just take a look at what's inside. That box glided. Ah! All right, so inside we got the instruction manual. We got the earbuds in their own little recess inside there. Pop these out, and these are actually the smallest, I believe, out of all the earbuds I've reviewed so far. And they kind of look like a, I don't know, kind of Galaxy Buds-esque design. They're kind of the only like bud looking earbuds. The rest are kind of, you know, either looking like AirPods, looking like sports earbuds, you know what I mean. And then we got the case, which is pretty cool because not only does it have a screen that, let me go ahead and put the earbuds inside. Not only does it have a screen that literally shows you the percent. Why did the screen go off? What it does is it has the battery percentage in the middle and like a little LCD screen, and then to the left and right it shows the percentages of the earbuds themselves. And then what's cool is you can see that shining through the front because it's got a translucent top to that case. But also, as I will talk about in my B-roll segment, just summing this up, it actually functions as a power bank, which is pretty cool. And I almost forgot to, what we actually came here for is that unboxing ASMR. That was nice. That was good. All right, and then we got one for the back too. Got double layers. Alrighty, that was the MuGo A2. Let's go ahead and, well, actually, before we do that, let's take a peek at the charging apparatus. We got a flat cable, old school micro USB, and now we can go ahead and roll that B-roll of my final thoughts on these guys. The MuGo A2 really feels like a power bank that wants to be a pair of earbuds. This thing's got 2,400 milliamp hours of capacity, which is by far the most out of any of the earbuds in this video, and of course it's got that USB port to make use of that in a pinch. But what unfortunately kind of cancels that all out for me is that the sound quality isn't that good. It's kind of similar to the fake AirPods I reviewed recently, where it doesn't sound bad if you don't pay attention and are focused on what it is you're listening to. But in terms of sound chemistry, they're pretty tinny. But they do have touch controls, Bluetooth 5.0, that super cool charging indicator screen, so it's possible travelers or people on the go might want to take a look at these. Alright, and last but not least is the Earbuds 12, also known as the $17 AirPods clones that, if you follow me, if you're subscribed to me, and keep up with my videos, you know that I've already Shut up! You know that I've already reviewed these and talked about these in another video. But just in case you didn't catch that video, or you want to learn a little bit more about these guys, I swear I hate this box. Alright, yeah, these are the Earbuds 12, and they look really similar to AirPods. So if you want to learn more about these, I'm going to do like consolidated thoughts on these B-roll just like I did with the other earbuds. But of course, if you want to know more about these guys, then go ahead and watch my full solo product review of these guys and catch up on my full opinions on these. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and play that B-roll thoughts and opinions segment like I did for all the other earbuds. Yeah, these are a bit of a refresh and rewind because I already talked about these on my channel, but I just wanted to throw them in a video with earbuds twice as much as them to see how they'd stack up. My verdict from the last video remains the same though. Don't get these unless you don't have wireless earbuds at all, or you're crazy in love with the design of AirPods and want to get it for cheap. Definitely check out the full review though for more info. I'm actually going to extend this last B-roll segment just a tad to say that all the earbuds in this comparison, besides the AirPods clones and the headset, are between $33 and $40, so they're all priced in the same range. I say that so you can just compare them and look at the features without, worrying if the reason one's better than the other is because it's way more expensive. Don't worry, like I said, these are all basically the same price. Alrighty, so that has been not only an unboxing, but also a opinions after testing and kind of micro review of each of these earbuds. And actually, I'm going to do something. I'm going to add this. I'm going to add this pair of earbuds. I'm going to put even these trashy guys right here and this. The reason I'm adding all these different pairs of other earbuds that I didn't review in this video is probably, as you've guessed by now, for a giveaway. So it's actually not happening in this video. I'm just kind of hyping it up and getting y'all excited for that. But as you can see from the sheer number of products on this desk, it's going to be a pretty big giveaway, pretty exciting. And I encourage y'all to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for that coming very, very soon. Besides that, that's been my micro reviews and comparison of all these different earbuds. Thanks for being here today, and I will catch you in the next video.